Welcome everyone. So today I will walk you through my internship experience as a full stack developer with the WSA, which is Web Stack Academy. So let's first see the overview of this. So we'll start with the introduction about me and about WSA and what's my experience with the WSA. And the objectives like I aim to achieve during the internship and the goals and skills that I wanted to develop. Then next, the roles and responsibility as a full stack developer and what are the prerequisites to be a full stack developer. And let's see the next part, which is the project's overview. I will highlight the main project I worked on during the internship. Technologies used, like I will tell what technologies or language we used during the internship. Then what skills I developed, I will tell that. And finally, I will show the live demo of the projects that I built during the internship. And finally, I will summarize my internship experience. So let me first tell you about myself a little bit. Myself, Manish Syal. I'm a BE Computer Science student from Dr. Vittal Rao Vicky Patil College of Engineering. So over the past 30 days, I have had the privilege to immerse myself in the complexities of full stack developer. The structure of my internship was carefully crafted, beginning with a deep dive into the basics of each technologies, followed by hands-on practice and development. So, who is WebStack Academy? So, WebStack Academy offers one of the best online full-stack web development courses in India across the globe. WSA helps to build skills and confidence in individuals by acting as coach. So the objective and the goal of this internship was to gain hands-on experience with React, APIs, React Redux, and MongoDB, and many more technologies. And it also helps us to develop a strong foundation in one-stack technologies. And we learn a lot of stuff, and we learn how to integrate front-end and back-end technologies seamlessly, and we gain hands-on practice experience in building real-world projects from scratch and acquire skills in project management and teamwork together throughout the completion of tasks and projects. So what is full stack developer? Full stack developer refers to the development of both front end and back end of web application. It involves working with multiple technologies and frameworks and requires a desired skill set. So, what is MERN stack? MERN stack represents stands for MongoDB, Express, React.js, and Node.js. So a full stack developer should be proficient in basic of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and have knowledge of database servers and APIs, how they work. Now let's see the architectural design of one stack developer. So it starts with front end development where we work with the front end library like React.js. We make use of basic HTML, CSS. Basically, we can't say HTML, but it's kind of a JSX where we can integrate JavaScript as well. Then we have the backend, which where uses Express web framework with Mongoose to connect the MongoDB database. So in the project overview, we build a food ordering website with Munstack technologies uh, with complete routing, displaying restaurants in home pages, add to cart functionality, view orders, sort restaurants based on veg, pure veg, and we implemented end-to-end user authentication. User can log in, sign up, and like we had the option to forget means recover password. Then user can upgrade the his profile info. We also integrated payment gateway for secure payments. We make use of Redux for complex content management, and we used email service to send mail to the user. So the technologies we used during the internship was React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then in the backend, we make use of MongoDB, Node.js, Express, Strapi for payment processing, and MailTrap for sending mails to the users. And in the tools, we used VS Code, and for testing APIs, we used Postman. Then the skills that I developed during the internship, which is understanding of backend technologies like MongoDB, then the knowledge of CRUD operations and RESTful API developments, then proficiency in working with React Redux, payment gateway with Strapi and Mailtrap to send the emails. Then I had knowledge in end-to-end flow of project structure. So now let's see the live and demo of the project. But before that, let me just show you 2 or 3 images of the project. Then we will continue to the live project demo. Yeah, so this is how our homepage looks like. We have like number of restaurants, the count of the restaurants will be here. The list of restaurant will be displayed. As I mentioned, like we can sort based on pure wage, sort by review, like sorting functionality, and we have each restaurant have like individual menu like the K if I clicked on the KFC restaurant then they will have like multiple menus inside like KFC meal then for dinner like that. Then this is how our cart looks like. We can increment decrement delete a particular item from the cart, we'll get the order summary, and once we check out we will be redirected to the Strapi payment processing page. So now let's see the live demo of the project. So I have spin up the front end and back end of this application. So in the home screen, we all the list of restaurants displayed here. Then, as I mentioned, we can also sort like based on pure wage, by reviews and by rating. And we have the number of restaurants we have registered yet. So let's see one by one. Let me first show you the pure sorting functionality. So yeah, sort by pure veg. The only restaurant which is pure veg is Haldiram. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Now let's sort based on review, then sort based on rating. Yeah. Now let's see. Let me now show you the login process. So let me first try to log in. So I will initially enter the wrong password so that I can show the forget password feature as well. And after that, I will also show you the login with the correct email and password. So let's see that. So yeah, it says like it's not went through. So let's now click on the forget password and update our password. So for that, we have to enter the email and then send email. So now yeah, let's check out our mail track. Did we got any mail? Yeah, here you see a few seconds ago. Yeah, let's try to reset the password now. We'll open this page. Let's enter a new password. Let's say 2345678. Just for the simplicity. And click on set password. Here you go. The password updated successfully. Now we can log into the website. So what's our password? Like 1234567 8. So now let's try to log in. Log into the website. And now it's showing my name uh, along with the drop down orders profile and logout. So now let's see each. Uh, so now let's see the restaurant menus. Let me click on Haldiram. Then we can add to cart. We can increment like it's saying item added to cart. Then let's if we decrement it will be back to normal. Let's add. We can increment the quantity. Let's add 2 more items. Okay. Now let's check out the count is also increasing, right? Here you can see. Let me click on the cart. So your the total number of items which we have added into the cart, the restaurant from which we are ordering, it's Haldiram. Then the items along with the price, we can delete a particular item or increase or decrease the quantity from here as well. And you can see like it updated the um, total amount as well. So let me try to decrement. You can see that it decremented the quantity, price as well as quantity. So let me delete one item. So you go. We deleted the item and the order summary is also updated. So now let's see the cart item number of items in the cart is also decreased, right? So this is possible due to the React Redux. So now let's check out. So here's how it looks like the Stripe payment gateway. So we don't want to proceed. We are in the testing mode, so I will use the test car details. So let me just quickly fill out the details. So it's in the testing mode, so I have added some random values here. So let me add the testing card number, which is also provided by the Strapi. Let me add it. A random date, and let's proceed to pay. So it's processing now, and it's also show a list of items, right, alongside the payment. So it's saying the order has been placed successfully. Now let's see our orders. This is how it shows, right? The amount, the number of items, the name of the item, and currently the status is processing and the order date. And we can view the particular item as well, the summary of the order number, along with the delivery info, the name of the person, the number which we added while processing the payment, the address, the fake address we added, right? As we are in testing mode, so we can add a fake address. The total amount, the amount is paid, the order is processing. So let's see, and these are the ordered items, right? Now let me go to the home page and let's see the orders. From here we can now see the orders as well. Okay, now let me see my profile. Here the name, the logo of the profile, my name, and we can edit the profile. Let me just show you that. Let me change my name to something. Let the email be as it is. Let me change the avatar. Okay, let's see, pick the Gojo, then update the profile. Here you go. Profile updated successfully. You can see my name is changed and the profile is also changed. And yeah, let's move back to the home page again. And what else is remaining? Okay, yeah, logout functionality, right? So here you, if I logged out, it will say log out successfully, and the cart is also empty for me. Yeah. Okay, let me. Okay, so now let us register a new user. So let's add the details of that user. Password. Let the password be same. 1 2. Okay, 1 2 3. Am I correct? No, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right. Let's add a fake mobile number. Let's see. Change something. Okay. The default avatar would be this, but let us change it to this again. Let me see. Yeah. Now register a user. Here you go. As soon as user registered, it he don't. you have to log in again. It will be automatically logged in again. Okay, back to the presentation again. So let's see the conclusion. So I had a highly enjoyable and productive internship experience, which provided me with valuable learning curve. I gained a comprehensive overview of full stack development through my work on the food delivery application project. This internship was a great opportunity for me to learn and grow as a developer, and I am grateful for the opportunity to have participated in this program, and I am excited to apply the skills and knowledge I have gained to my future career. So in the end, thank you Webstack Academy for providing this opportunity.